My name is Melissa and I'm the Events and Brand Manager at Amazingy. Today I want to show you how to properly use your Gua Sha stone. Gua Sha has been used for hundreds of years in Eastern medicine. It is known to improve skin appearance by increasing lymphatic drainage, which will help remove toxins and rejuvenate skin cells. When Gua Sha, you want to prep your skin so that it's fully hydrated. So after cleansing, you want to use a good toner and an oil. And for the oil, I recommend using 1 or 2 pumps or 3 to 4 drops. I think for Gua Sha, there are 3 rules that you have to keep in mind always. The first one being pressure. You always want to use light to medium pressure. Especially around the eye, you want to use light pressure. A bit of redness is normal, just make sure you're gentle with your skin. The second rule is that you always want to make sure you're using a flat angle with the stone. And the third and most important rule is that you want to use slow and gradual movements. It's good to use your Gua Sha stone as many times as you can. I would recommend at least 2 to 3 times a week. Of course, good results come with time and consistency. And for health reasons, you want to wash your stone every time you use it with soap and warm water. To complete the ritual, you can use a cream or a balm at night, or your SPF cream and makeup if using the stone in the morning.